Okay, I've got this Volvo 760 here. It's my new car, 1990 Volvo 760 Turbo, and I'm doing a boost leak test on it. And this is my boost leak tester here. Basically just an air valve on a 2-inch test cap made of PVC, replacing where the air goes from the turbo to the intercooler piping. Sorry for the video quality, this is just an iPhone. Anyway, as you can hear that hissing sound, I've got a boost leak, and I think that's where part of it's coming from, at least. Coming from the idle air control valve, in fact. You can see it's so loose I can move the hose in and out. And there I lost my screwdriver tapping out that hose. Anyway, I'm going to keep tightening up hoses and keep recharging the system with fresh air compressor air and finding all the leaks and replacing hoses and tightening up clamps.